My name is Liliya Tanska and I'm a senior business analyst with Geographic solutions. I was working in a workforce arena for about 12-13 years, from case manager to the program manager. So I've been exposed to the VIA programs, Wagner Pfizer programs, TAA. The first step would be to try to explore, just go to report section. If they don't have access, just talk to the team leads, talk to the managers, and see if they can get access or permissions to see reports, because those reports can be very useful to them. The staff is able to save their reports, so if they run it once, they can save it to add it to my reports, and they don't have to select the same search criteria again. They can just run it. They can schedule it to run, so it will be delivered to their, they can set an email account. In the last few months, with the VOA legislature and new rules and regulations, we have created several reports that staff may not know yet, but they will benefit, especially case management.